Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous beautiful actress Shruti Hassan. So today I edit her song and the song name is Pimple Dimple, and I did this video with 4K 60 fps in vertical frame, and I covering all angle of Shruti Hassan in this video. So Pimple Dimple is a captivating song from the Telugu movie Yevadu featuring Shruti Hassan and Ram Charan. The song's catchy melody, energetic beat and meaningful lyrics make it a standout track that is sure to get you moving. The song's melody is incredibly catchy with an upbeat and energetic tune perfect for the dancing and enjoying with friends. The song melody is so catchy that you all find yourself humming it long after the song is over. Shruti Hassan shines in this song, showcasing her talent and charisma. The performance adds to the song charm, making it memorable with Ram Charan presence also adds to the song's appeal, and the chemistry between the lead actors is palpable. The lyrics of Pimple Dimple explore theme of love and relationship, resonating with listeners and adding emotional depth to the song. The lyrics are well crafted and the song's message is conveyed effectively through the vocals. The song's melody is a perfect blend of traditional and modern elements, creating a unique sound that's both catchy and memorable. The use of traditional instruments adds a touch of authenticity to the song, while the modern elements make it a fresh and exciting. The song's beat energetic and infectious, making it a perfect for dancing and enjoying with friends. The rhythm is well crafted and the song's overall production quality is high. The song has garnered millions of views on YouTube and shares, making it among favorite music fans who appreciate its creativity and originality. The song's viral success is a testament to its quality and impact. The song's catchy melody and energetic beat have resonated with audience who praise the singers for their vocals and the song overall production quality. The audience appreciation for the song is evident in the comment and review. In conclusion, Pimple Dimple is a fantastic song that showcases Shruti Hassan talent and charisma with its catchy melody, energetic beat and meaningful lyrics. The song is a must listen for fans of Indian music. Its impact on audience is undeniable, and it's clear that the song will continue to be popular for a long time. The song's success can be attributed to the chemistry between the lead actor as well as the catchy melody and energetic beat. The song melody is incredibly catchy with an upbeat and energetic tune perfect for dancing and enjoying with friends. The melody is so catchy that you all find yourself it long after the song is over. Shruti Hassan in this song shines, showcasing her talent and charisma. Her performance adds to the song charm, making it a memorable watch with Ram Charan's presence also add to the song appeal, and chemistry between the two lead actors is palpable. The song lyrics of Pimple Dimple explore theme of love and relationships, making it a standout track in the Indian music industry. The song's theme and message resonate with listeners, making it a readable and enjoyable listen. The song's impact on audience is undeniable, and it's clear that it will be continue to be a popular for a long time. The song's cultural significance and its impact on music industry are also noteworthy, and it's likely that the song will influence and direction of the Indian music in year to come. In final verdict, Pimple Dimple is a great song that showcases Shruti Hassan's talent and charisma with its clear and catchy melody, energetic beat, and meaningful lyrics. The song is must listen for fan of Indian music. Its impact on audience is undeniable, and it's clear that the song will continue to be a popular for a long time. The future prospect of Pimple Dimple look bright with its viral success and audience appreciation. The song's catchy melody and energetic beat make it a perfect for fit music playlist and dancing performance. As the continue to gain transactions, it's likely that it will become a classic track the Indian music industry. The song's success may also lead to be more opportunity for Shruti Hassan and Ram Charan as well as other artists in the Indian music industry. The song impact on music industry is significant, and it's likely that it will influence the direction of Indian music in the year to come. The song's cultural significance is also noteworthy, as it showcases the rich musical heritage of the song. Blend of traditional and modern element make it a unique and refreshing listen, and its impact on audience is undeniable. The song is a testament to the power of music to bring people other and transcend cultural boundaries. It's a great example of how music can be used to express emotions, tell stories, and connect with others. The song's impact on Indian music industry is significant, and it's likely that it will influence the direction of Indian music in the year to come. The song's success has shown that there is a demand for catchy, energetic, and meaningful songs that showcase talent and charisma of Indian artists. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.